We are the learners and makers. We're not just traveling the world, we're living regular life in Mexico too. Groceries, laundry, business, and homeschool are all part of our day-to-day in Oaxaca's Pacific town of La Crucecita. But so are memory of a lifetime moments, such as celebrating Día de Muertos and an all-day boat tour that became part of a secret mission with a purpose so secret we didn't even understand it was happening until it was happening. We are mostly staying in apartments while we're traveling, and I thought I'd give you a little glimpse of where we are staying while we're in Huatulco. Okay, we're gonna go inside. We have a kitchen, which we really like having. It helps really cut down the cost on food since we do a lot of cooking. And then you're gonna do some Minecraft.
I'll change the sound a little.
There's some living area, dining area. We are kind of packing up actually, so we've got things out a little bit more, but we kind of stationed all our school stuff in this little table here. And right now it's all kind of out because we're getting ready to put it back. Get it ready. Bathroom. Shower. Kids' room. This time with 2 twin beds. And our room. We have a little working area here too, which has been really nice.
It's been really nice.
We're starting to stage all of our packing up here. Getting ready to go to the next adventure. So, a lot smaller than our house at home. But I think we found that because we just have so little stuff, it is not that big a deal. It's been totally fine to be in a much smaller footprint. And also, like, the things we don't like about a place, we know are temporary. We're only here for a month or a few weeks or whatever, so we have to put up with it for a little while, so it's not that big a deal. So all sorts of little things like that that we've kind of realized as we are staying in a place. Staying in all these different apartments, that things that I thought might be a big deal or that I would need to watch out for or whatever did not end up being that big of a deal. It's time to go into La Crucecita's center of the city, or the zócalo. This was a place that we like to walk to often for treats and just to get out and get a new view. So this has become one of our favorite things. It's the panaderia. It's just a few blocks away. So I will say it's become a little bit of a habit. We go down, we get a sweet treat, take it back to the apartment, and it is delicious. We are definitely going to miss this. And can you show me where the good things are? What have you tried so far?
I've tried
The chocolate croissant.
chocolate red dot.
What have you tried that you liked? Show me.
The large chocolate donut.
The big chocolate donut.
Yep. I've also tried the braid bread.
And the braid bread.
Buggy said braid bread.
Braid bread.
And I was like, what? Yes, the pronounced people are in them.
These are not usually out here, huh? Something special.
over there.
That is one of my favorites. We pick out what we
Sunday
want.
spread.
And then it's time to go get them wrapped up.
Maybe you wanted one of those custard cups.
Are there any left?
Yeah.
I don't think no, don't open it. I don't want one this time, but I will get one before we leave.
Okay. I want a cake.
You want a cake?
Warn you about this.
Yeah.
This one's going to be 5 words.
Oh no.
Oh no. 2 tiny tarnished tissue turkeys.
Oh my gosh. 2 tiny tarnished tissue
That was
turkeys.
like Rutledge
But
quality.
you didn't say.
Weird.
You didn't say.
Okay. 1 orange ocelot, 2 tiny tarnished tissue turkeys. I'm evil.
1 orange ocelot, 2 tiny tarnished tissue turkeys.
3
3 thriving 30s.
So we
Okay.
were thriving in the 30s.
I guess so. All right. 1 orange ocelot. 2 tiny tarnished tissue turkeys. 3 thriving 30s. 4 flippy fans.
I hope it doesn't flip.
No, I'm thinking like this kind of fan.
Like the thing that wants autographs.
Okay. You
Okay,
ready,
Astrid?
Astrid? Can you remember it all?
An orange ocelot. 2 tiny tarnished turkey tissue.
Oh, other
No, no.
Tissue turkeys.
way. There you go. Okay. 3.
3
I can't.
3
Oh, now I can.
what? Thriving 30s. 4 yeah. Flying flipping fans. So I'm 5.
You're
Yep.
5.
5 flipping felines.
5 flipping felines.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sombreros.
1 orange ocelot, 2 tiny tarnished tissue turkeys.
You did the free. Can't you remember it?
He does. He's just
3
laughing.
thriving 30s.
He just doesn't want to say it.
4 flapping fans.
Uh-oh.
Flipping.
Flipping fans.
Oh.
4 flipping fans. 4 flipping felines.
No, 5.
5 flipping felines. My favorite number is 4.
I'm already getting bugged.
I think that finished it.
Oh man. This is the 3 de Mayo Mercado. It's just off the Zócalo, the main square here in La Crucecita. There's, everything from like silly beach shirts to incredible like artisan mezcal, chocolate. There's a little like a cafe area basically, all sorts of cool stuff.
It's definitely like a little touristy feeling.
sure.
For sure. We went to kind of a similar one in Oaxaca, bigger there. But that one had more like normal food and fruits and veggies and kind of seemed like maybe a place that locals would go to. This one feels pretty much just like the tourist, like this is where you're going to get
Yeah.
some souvenirs.
Oh yeah, definitely.
What did you get? Nice.
Purchase.
What did you get, babe?
I got a camisa nueva. One of my shirts ripped, and I needed to replace it. We found one here that I think is going to work pretty well. It's a snazzy rojo, nice and bright.
You may be able to tell.
It's a little warm.
I'm a little sweaty. Aster says, I need to change my dress.
Good thing you've got that snazzy merino action going on with your woolan.
Seriously.
It's a market Sunday morning here in La Crucecita in Huatulco. So we wanted to get a couple things as we come into our last week in town.
I know, I can't believe we are finishing up and then, yeah, we've got other continents in the future. What did you get, Connor?
A giant sugar donut.
A giant sugar donut. Wasn't your first choice this time.
But who doesn't like a giant sugar donut?
What did you get, Aster?
A giant sprinkle cookie.
A giant sprinkly. Let's get close up on those rainbows. Oh yeah. Is it good?
So you just took film of these.
They do not mess around with the donuts.
Sort of stuffed with something,
So
maybe
these are now
peach.
filled.
Yeah,
What did you get?
This seemed like
These
there was
are
some
filled.
sort of. Well, I
Inside?
thought maybe there was a filling, but no, I don't think so.
It's
just
like
icing.
almost looks like a
Flaky
pie.
pastry. Definitely not a soggy bottom.
Who don't like a flaky pastry?
Flaky pastry for the win.
Mmm.
What do you think, Esther?
Want to try it?
Okay.
I'll try that. That's a good pastry.
Oh, I don't think it's peach.
That's like a standard French level pastry.
I think it might be banana inside mine.
That's like a standard French level pastry.
Día de Muertos in Huatulco. We just had the honor of being able to be in a family's home where they talked about what Día de Muertos is and how they observe it. They shared chocolate with us, they shared mezcal with us, tamales. We were also invited to put up photos of our grandmothers who have passed on in the last couple of years. So for us, this is in part learning about this incredible, deep culture here, but also a chance for us very personally to honor our own loved ones who have passed on.
Yeah. And a yama.
Yama?
Did we learn how to dip it into the chocolate?
What would be the
It's kind of hard not to let it fall into your chocolate though.
It's hard to not let it fall into the chocolate.
Why do we honor the dead? We honor the dead to celebrate those who came before us, those who helped us be possible. We honor the dead to celebrate life.
We're getting ready to go on a boat tour of the bays in Huatulco. We're gonna get to do some snorkeling. We're gonna get to kind of see some different beaches that we haven't been able to get to, that are maybe a little less accessible. And we'll also get to have lunch on the beach. So it should be a fun-filled day, and we'll take you along.
All the day long, we had relaxed on the boat, looked for sea creatures, and explored the snorkeling delights of blue bays. Yet only now, as the boat left San Agustin to begin the return trip, did we realize the secret mission behind our last adventure in Oaxaca. For most of the boat ride, we had all sat in the seating area near the stern. Yet, we'd been told that we were welcome to sit up at the bow of the boat. After lunch, the kids made their way up to the bow. Connor and Astor sat side by side the entire way back, shoulders touching. It was only then, as the lighthouse not far from where we would re-enter Chahui Bay came into view, that Jody and I understood. Part of why we wanted to travel like this with the kids for so long to so many places is to show them some of the world and help them see how and where they might fit into it as adults. But there's something else. As sister and brother sat side by side, we saw our secret mission. We want the kids to travel the world with each other. Odds are, the two of them will navigate life's joys, challenges, and choices with some measure of closeness. We have always tried to reinforce that no matter what else in life, they can always have one another for support. We travel the way we do because it helps the kids build on a lifetime bond. There will come a time where they do not have us, but we hope that they will always have each other. One of the things striking us over and over on this boat trip is the coastline is a striking limestone, like forested almost down to the waterline in a lot of spots. Incredible beaches, but some of it, blowholes, the dramatic rockscapes, stack rocks in the water. Reminds me a little bit of home in Oregon.
This beachy view. It's pretty amazing. Just had a great lunch, and we're going to be heading back on our boat. We've done snorkeling, an amazing lunch. We got to see some dolphins, turtles, a snake in the water. So, feeling pretty like a really successful boat tour. Last night in Mexico.
We've been here a month and a half, but it is now time to move on, even though we are really going to miss this place.
Yeah, we're making our next really big leap, crossing the Pacific Ocean and heading to Southeast Asia.
Thailand, here we come.
Thank you for joining our adventures in Huatulco, Mexico. For more detailed stories and information, go to our blog at learnersandmakers.com. To follow our everyday adventures, follow us on Instagram and TikTok. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to see where we go next. Bye!